Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Playhut, hot as in fire. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video, guys, it's going to be a unboxing, but not just any unboxing. This is going to be a MacBook Pro unboxing, okay? 13 inches, baby, 13 inches. Everybody suggested this laptop to me, so I want to see what all the hype is about. I bad talk MacBook so much and I still ended up buying it. I also got me some Airpods. I'm going to be opening that up with you guys. This is my first MacBook Pro or MacBook anything. I don't know what to expect. I'm excited. So yeah, let's just get into it. Let's get right into it. So keep watching.
We young and alive, everybody outside, everything nice. Play hot, but we still all our vibes. Island girls, them girls are my like. Trinidadian girls, them girls are my type.
Okay guys, so here it is, my baby. Let's open it. I watched so much unboxing that I know it have a piece of paper supposed to pull, so let me find the paper. Is that paper on this too? No. So right. This is like a climax, isn't it? Open it up. Oh, okay, here you have it, the MacBook. Let's take it out. This is it, baby. Doesn't that look pretty? Ah. Okay, have our next piece of paper. All right, here it is. Let's do this one more time. Okay, I've been waiting for this moment for like the longest, and now it's about to really come through. I'm gonna pull this paper and climax. Okay. You ready? Are we doing this? Oh my god. How pretty. And to think all the junk I talk about Apple. You're beautiful. I apologize for every bad thing I've ever said about you in the past. Let me pull this, bring this baby up. All right, so in the box we have a charger, stuff that's not important, I guess. We have the stickers. What else? Guess that's it. And yeah, this is a charger. Let's actually pulling this baby down. This is so small and cute, isn't it? Oh, so I got the space gray, as you guys can see, and this. Oh, I can see myself in the Apple. Oh, is that a mirror? Let me find out. Okay, so put that like that, like so, like that. Alrighty, let me open this baby and see. Okay, I know the apple's supposed to come up by the time you open it. It's loading. You are so beautiful. So here comes the setup. It's asking me what type of English do I speak? Australian, UK.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
The return key. Or return key. Oh yeah. In just a few steps you can register and set up your Mac. I am in the United States of America. let me go get the Wi-Fi and I will be back. Okay, so it's asking me, do I want to transfer anything from a Windows? I don't have a computer. Not right now. Okay, so since I don't have Apple anything, I'm going to need to create an Apple ID. This is taking so long. Okay, would you like to use iCloud keychain on this Mac? iCloud keychain, where's that? Okay, set up later. I don't know what that is. We can share some data. I trust you, Apple. This is the Siri part. Let me see. Okay. Enable Ask Siri. Set up Siri. Say, hey Siri. Hey Siri. No, totally. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show me my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Siri's are treating, I'm telling you. Share my audio recordings with who? Not now, honey. That's what we're not doing. Okay, this is the Touch ID. Where is it? Oh, right here. Lift and rest your finger on the Touch ID. Can you see that? Okay, continue. We can set that up later. I don't have any money. Or they take all the money. Dark is always better. Yep. Continue. Ah, how pretty is that? Hello. Hello. Okay, guys. What am I supposed to do from here? I'm not sure. I don't know, but it's on. It's on. So let me open this in the meantime and let's see what this looks like. So I do already have earbuds, but it had a special where you could get the one before this for free, or you can pay $90 and get this one. So I paid $90 and I got this one. One top of it, it's in here and it's stuck with tear-proof paper. Come on. Okay. That's the Airpods. And it has the same thing. Oh, a double whammy. Oh no, right here. Can you hear me? ASMR. Let's see this bad boy. So this is the AirPod Pro wireless charging case. See? Look. Can you see it? It says Play Hut. I got a free engraving. Ah. Okay. Where are you going? Okay. Opened. does it look? I'm gonna just try to hook up this AirPods to this. I just found the Bluetooth, and I'm assuming that's where it is. Bluetooth device turned off. Now discover turned on. Bluetooth is on. Okay, so I open this. AirPods connect. Okay, that was simple. Okay, so it's definitely working. Now I don't know if I should just return my earbuds. Like, should I keep this? Because I love the color of these. It works pretty well, but now I love this. Which one do you guys like more? Like, do you like this? Or do you like this? What are you thinking? Let me know. Okay, so just to fill you guys in on exactly what it is that I have here, I have the space gray MacBook Pro 2020, 13 inches, 16 gigs of, is it RAM? 16 gigs and 1 terabyte of storage. I have four Thunderbolts. I have the 4 Thunderbolts. I think that's what they call it. Thunderbolts C. And so this little touchscreen stuff here. You can raise the volume. Oh, what is that? You search. Oh. Ah. What is this? Siri.
I didn't get that.
When am I talking now? Siri, when New York City opening back up?
I found this on the web.
Okay.
What do you want to search for?
Sorry, when I could go back to Trinidad?
Here's what I found.
I told you that the reason why we've dubbed this Holy Week Uprising again is because after there were several different rebellions.
So I'm super excited. I'm gonna play with this a bit, figure out how to customize it, because I see a ton of people customizing theirs and it looks so pretty. So I want to do that. Actually figure out what is what, because I don't know much about Apple. This is my first MacBook. I don't know if I told you guys that already. This is my first MacBook. Everybody suggested that I get a Pro. I was like, is there no Windows that can do what I want to do? Because I wanted to get like use serrato for my music and stuff like that, and everybody's like, MacBook, it's where it is. So I hope I did not make a wrong decision. I will be coming back to you guys with a review maybe after a week or so and letting you know if I love it or not. So that's it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.